To make the butterflies, first you need color papers like this. I have taken A4 size color papers here. Fold the paper as I have done in the video. Using a scissor, cut the folded paper. Cut one more piece of paper which is little bit smaller than the first paper. With these two papers, we will make the wings of the butterfly. To make the wings, first you have to make a fold at the center as I have done in the video. That is, from center you have to fold the paper outward. Now the second fold you have to make from outside towards the center. And the third fold you have to do from center to outside. So the same process you have to repeat until you reach the end of the paper. So this is how the paper looks after folding on one side. Again you have to turn the paper and start doing the same process on the opposite side of the paper. This is how the paper looks after folding. Now you have to keep this aside and start doing the same process for the smaller paper which you have cut and kept. Here I have folded both the papers. Next you have to take a ruler and find the exact center of both the papers and mark a line at the center. Fold the paper at the center where you have marked the line. Again take the second paper, mark the center and fold at the middle. Take the smaller wings, fold at the center and draw an arc as I have done in the video. Cut the paper through the line where you have drawn the arc. Take both the wings, place it together as I have done in the video and tie both the wings together with the help of a thread. Whenever you are tying, make sure that you are tying at the exact center where you have marked the line before. Otherwise you won't get proper shape of the butterfly, and you have to tie the thread tightly. Otherwise the paper will fall down easily. After tying the papers, bend the papers as I am doing in the video. We are doing this to give a good shape to the butterfly. Next, very carefully spread out the folds of the paper. Apply little glue at the center and stick both the wings together. Same way, apply glue on the opposite side of the wings and stick the wings together. To make the body part of the butterfly, I have taken a black chart paper and I am drawing the outline using a pencil. After drawing, this is how it looks. Next you have to cut this out with the help of scissors. Apply glue on the paper and stick the paper on the wings which you have already made and kept. Our butterfly is ready now. I have made 5 butterflies with different size. If you want to make smaller size butterflies, just reduce the size of the paper which you are taking. You can use a 2-side tape to stick the butterflies. Cut a small piece of tape and place it on the back side of the butterfly. Now the same way you can do for the remaining butterflies.